Example 3. Negative 3x plus 4 less than or equal to 13. Basically, that's the same structure as the last problem was. I got to, first of all, move the 4 across, so move the 4 over minus 4. That gives me negative 3x less than or equal to 9. And again, I'm going to say it every single time I'm doing this. When I do that step, nothing happens in the inequality symbol. That's just a free movement. Okay, I'm not changing signs on both sides of the equation or inequality. I'm simply moving things across. If I had some true inequality like 10 is greater than 6, right? And I take away 3 from both sides, it doesn't change the direction that things are, right? So if this is bigger and this is smaller, and you take the same amount away from both, the direction of inequality should stay the same. That's all that's happening here. I'm taking 4 away from both sides here. Makes that 4 smaller, makes that 4 smaller, so the size of the numbers in relation to each other is the same. All right, but then when I divide by my negative 3 to get the x all by itself, the inequality symbol has to flip around. And again, the equals stays equals, the less than changes to a greater than, and this becomes negative because the signs are different. So we're looking for x is greater than or equal to negative 3, and we're graphing this on the set of real numbers again. So again, this is my real number line. Again, I want negative 3 towards the middle, smaller this direction, bigger this direction, and greater than or equal to negative 3 equals 2 gets me a filled in circle. Again, with real numbers, I have to worry about the filled in or hollow circle. Okay, equals 2 makes it filled in, and then greater than goes to the right, so I shade off to the right, and I make my arrow really big. So that is graphing inequalities, that's solving inequalities, and up till now there's not been a minus sign in front of your x object. Now there will be minus signs sometimes, other times it won't be, so that's just one extra thing to check for. So in the division step, in this one step here, if you're dividing by a negative, you flip it. If you divide by a positive, it stays as is.